If your closet looks like it's an audition for a TLC episode, it's time for a change. Are you thinking of selling or buying? Let's talk about minimalist living where less actually is more. Space, peace, and sanity. Number 1, declutter like you mean it. If it doesn't spark your joy or pays rent, then it's out. Keep what you use and love. Everything else, say goodbye. Number 2, choose functional furniture. That ottoman better store blankets and it better suits as a coffee table. Multi-function equals minimalist win. Number 3, use neutral colors palettes, whites, grays, and earth tones. These colors calm the chaos, and the bonus makes any room look bigger. Number 4, embrace blank space. Every wall doesn't need an art. Let your space breathe. It's not a gallery, it's your sanctuary. Number 5, maximize neutral light. Use sheers, curtains, or none at all. Minimalist homes are all about the glow up without the clutter. So, are you already living the minimalist dream or thinking about going clutter free? Either way, hit the follow for simplicity secrets, small spaces, design hacks, and more in the Chicago real estate tips. Let's make your home feel like a spa without the cucumber water, unless you want it to. This is Hugo with Coldwell Banker, 773-550-4846.